Uko wapi? Where are you? Learn Kiswahili. Hi, hujambo. Welcome to this lesson of Swahili for beginners. We want to answer the question uko wapi, both singular and plural, and both negative and in the positive way. Go with me. Jina langu ni Mwalimu Hezron. My name is Teacher Hezron. Responses. Number 1. Niko Kenya. This means I am in Kenya. Number 2. Niko Somalia. I am in Somalia. Number 3. Niko Uganda. I am in Uganda. So these 3 sentences means you can respond according to the country that you are currently in. Number 4. Niko sokoni. This means I am in the market. Niko nyumbani. I am at home. Number 6. Niko kanisani. This one means I am in the church. Number 7. Niko msikitini. I am in the mosque. Number 8. Niko Nairobi. I am in Nairobi. Number 9. Niko ofisini. This one means I am in the office. Number 10. Niko ndani. This means I am inside. The Swahili word for inside is ndani. So this means I am inside. Number 11. Niko nje. Nje is the Swahili word for outside. So I am outside means niko nje. Number 12. Niko mbele. Mbele means in front. So I'm in front. Niko mbele. Number 13. Niko nyuma. Nyuma is now the opposite. Behind. So I am behind. In Swahili say niko nyuma. Number 14. Niko kwangu. Kwangu means my place. So I am at my place. In Swahili say niko kwangu. Number 15. Niko shuleni. Simply means I am in school or I am at school. Now, apart from that one, we have this question, uko na nani? This one simply means who are you with? If I want to know if you are alone or you are with another person, I will ask you, uko na nani? Which means who are you with? Now, responses. 1. Niko na rafiki yangu. Say, I am with my friend. This is the translation of niko na rafiki yangu. Number 2. Niko peke yangu. This means I am alone. Number 3. Niko na dada yangu. Dada is sister. So I am with my sister. Number 4. Niko na mwalimu. This means I am with the teacher. Number 5. Niko na mke wangu. Mke is the Swahili word for a wife. So I am with my wife. Number 6. Niko na wageni. I am with the guests. Number 7. Niko na familia yangu. Familia is the Swahili word for family. So I am with my family. Number 9. Niko na kaka yangu. This means I am with my brother. Now, negative forms. Use siko to replace with the niko to mean I am not. Examples. 1. Siko kazini. This means I am not at work. Number 2. Siko nyumbani. This means I'm not at home. Number 3. Siko ofisini. This sentence means I am not at the office. Number 4. Siko kanisani. I am not at church. Number 5. Siko mjini. Mjini is the Swahili word for town. So I am not in town. Number 6. Siko Kenya. I'm not in Kenya. Then number 7 here, siko darasani. I'm not in class. Now, plural form, wingi. The question is, mko wapi? Now we are introducing which is used to refer to you, the plural form. Wapi is now where. So where are you? The plural form. The breakdown here, mko is you. the plural, and then wapi is where. Now, let me help you know how to ask these questions when you want to know if a person is at a particular place. 1. Mko nyumbani. If you want to know if some people are at home, ask them, mko nyumbani, to mean are you at home? This is plural, remember? Number 2, mko kazini. Are you at work? Number 3, mko shuleni. Are you at school? Number 4, mko tayari. Are you ready? Number 5, mko salama. Are you safe? Then number 6, mko wapi sasa? Ask them, where are you now? In Swahili is mko wapi sasa. Now, to answer the question mko wapi, which means where are you, the response is tuko, which means we are. Remember, in the first personal pronoun we said niko, to mean I am. Now here we introduce tuko, meaning we are. Examples in sentences. 1. Tuko Kenya. This means we are in Kenya. 2. Tuko kazini. We are at work. 3. Tuko nyumbani. We are at home. 4. Tuko hapa. This means we are here. Number 5. Tuko pamoja. We are together. Then number 6 here, tuko tayari. We are ready. Finally, plural negative form, use hatuko. Hatuko means we are not. Now I will give just few examples. When you want to say we are not at home, say hatuko nyumbani. We are not at work, hatuko kazini. We are not at school, hatuko shuleni. We are not at the office, hatuko ofisini, and many, many more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, share this video, leave your comments, and don't forget to like. Jina langu ni Mwalimu Hezron. See you in the next video.